Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export 4K in Davinci Resolve. So before going to the export page, confirm your project can handle the resolution. So open the project settings at the bottom right corner, click on it, and then master settings and time resolution. Make sure that you have at least Ultra HD and click save. Just like that. Now go to the delivery tab, so rocket icon right here, and what we are going to do is set to MP4 format. Then we have codec will be H265. This is the modern standard for 4K. Encoder will be select native auto. You can also have NVIDIA or AMD if it's available. So to use your GPU for faster render. Resolution we have here, we will stay with the Ultra HD. Frame rate, we will set this match your project. So let's say 60. Bitrate quality, we have here quality is automatically best. We can restrict to if we want to usually it can be for 30 frames per second 4K. It can be 60,000 to 80,000 for 60 FPS in 4K. It's usually 100K to 120K. And yeah, this is basically everything what we can set. When we are happy with that, add to render queue and start rendering right here. And this is how you will export 4K video in Davinci Resolve. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next